Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rahina and today we have
I'm Hina.
Hina with us after so long. So how do you feel, Hina?
It's great to be back to this channel. I can see you have grown a lot. Like the just fans after fans, subscribers after subscribers. Yeah, and I also stay tuned to this channel. So I see all the videos.
You're a
It's
true
nice.
follower.
I am literally a true fan, not just a follower.
Subscriber, sorry.
Yeah.
True
So
subscriber.
I see all the videos and it's nice. And I miss doing this because it was so fun. Just like yapping every day.
Yeah, this was our thing uni mein. And now
Yeah, as you guys can see, the setting has changed because you have graduated.
we have
Just
graduated.
the vlog she didn't make. She makes it on like a random Wednesday, but she didn't make it on a fucking
Graduation वाले दिन मेरा फोन ही नहीं था मेरे पास. I had my mom's phone.
Oh, yeah.
Remember? Guys, graduation से एक दिन पहले my phone just gave up on me.
Yeah.
And I was
We all
using my
hated it. There were several people that were affected by her.
भाई अच्छा funny story guys. I lost my phone and I had a Bumble date on like one of those days.
Yeah.
And I literally didn't have that person's number and I was supposed to meet them like उसी दिन जिस दिन my phone
How did your phone?
like it didn't break, it just like turned off, like it switched off और फिर उसके बाद it wasn't working.
Yeah. I remember we called from your mom's phone with this
Yeah.
at the fort. And then I was like, okay, let's get ready. Everything is fine. And then like 2 hours later, all hell broke loose. Uska phone की वजह से she's like, how do I contact the Bumble guy? And then we had like a uni event. उस दिन
And then literally our friend Shamir, as you all must know, he literally came to pick me up and then he was like मैं जल्दी आ जाता हूँ मैं आ जाता हूँ. But I was like नहीं, I think I got this figured because I didn't even have InDrive वाली app मेरी अम्मी के फ़ोन में. it was just in my phone and कोई और रास्ता ही नहीं था कि मैं कैसे पहुँचती. मेरे एरिया के सारे लोग निकल गए थे क्योंकि सब टाइम पे होते, मैं एक लेट पहुँचती हूँ हर जगह.
Yeah.
एंड देन शामी लाइक let me come लाइक फिर वो आया एंड देन हम 3 घंटे बाद पहुंचे. वैसे तो 2-3 घंटे बाद
Yeah.
एंड इवेंट खत्म हो गया था
It
और
was really sad.
Yeah.
हम लोग बैठे हुए कि where are they? And they're like sending me pictures from the traffic. Or they came or like they just had food or it's like
this video is about our life outside of uni. 4 months later, update on Hina and Rahina's life.
yeah.
Because she has good updates, I don't.
Oh, matlab, I have a job now. That's an update.
Flex. She's flexing, guys.
That's the only update.
And we love it. Everyone say mashallah in the comments below. All the unemployed bitches.
And then I don't get to see people as much. Like I saw her every day. I saw Arsalan every day. I saw Aliza every day. So that's a bit of a bummer because like you don't realize आपका इतना बड़ा part होता है आपके दिन का ना. Like your whole day can change if you just get to spend like half an hour with some people.
Yeah.
So that I miss. And then yeah, we just had so much free time in uni, especially in the last semester. We just did nothing.
Thesis तो था ही नहीं किसी का भाई.
मेरा खत्म हो गया था, इसका था.
Yeah.
So we would just be like sitting for like 3 hours. And now that's like such a like that doesn't happen now.
Yeah.
So it's like a lot more busier now and I miss just spending time with them.
Exactly. I miss spending time with you. She works 6 days a week. The only day I get is Sunday. So today she's here
Yeah,
and like
I'm
we
at the
can.
house.
Yeah. वरना
We
तो
do call a
we
lot.
video
वैसे.
call a lot.
Yeah.
It's almost like तुम हो मेरी life में, but not like.
What do you mean
physically.
almost? I am in your life. We
No,
also
like-
do plans together.
But like physically you're not there, but you're almost there because
Yeah.
video call feels so real.
Physically though, like no, none of my friends are up there. I just see Shami every day. So physically though, I don't not be seeing anybody. But we do call a lot. I don't miss like uni itself. Like I don't miss doing assignments. I don't miss having deadlines. I don't miss I go home after 8-10 hours and then I still have to worry like this is due or whatever. No? Like if I'm at work I can just like कि now off hours my shift is early, I can just chill. So I don't miss that about uni. Or I also miss like doing fun things. Like we would have so many events uni, or like you can make plans every day, but then when it's uni, it's like a whole thing. Or there is a whole hype. Oh, ye ho raha hai, wo ho raha hai.
Yeah.
So I miss that as well. I am closer to my parents now, so yeah,
That's a good update.
I'm enjoying that, and it's also there's just like more stuff to talk to them about because like both of them have worked their entire life. So if I tell them about uni, they just wouldn't understand, especially because our uni was just so ridiculous. They would just be like, "ये तुम लोग की uni में क्या हो रहा है?" Like, you know, they wouldn't even understand जो
कितना
चीजें.
promote कर रही है हमारी uni को. That's so nice.
Yeah, guys.
हाँ तुम बोलो ridiculous.
Yeah, just like even like the courses we were taught, they would be like, "क्या dance पढ़ रहे हो?" But now it's like, okay, I'm going to office, so that's something to understand, or
It's more serious.
it's more serious or more relatable. So you can like talk to them, and they also have like more stuff to give insight on. In uni, I wouldn't think like they just had a really different kind of uni life than us. But then with office, it's just like it's office. So they have more guidance here. So I do enjoy that now. Um, yeah. And then me and Shamir have fun because we work at the same place. And we will not disclose that place. So yeah, that's my update.
So the only thing that I have done मेरे vacations में is get piercings. I'm kidding. And I will get more piercings, but that's not the update. मैं तो बहुत बदल गई हूँ पता है. Point is कि एक बड़ी चीज़ हुई मेरी life में. That was very like it changed my life basically. पर उसके अलावा भी I think I was changing बहुत ज़्यादा. अगर मैं healthy कितनी हो गई तो नहीं बताओगी मतलब wise.
She's really wise now. Sometimes she just says things to me or it like blows my mind or like we're just silent for 5 minutes.
यकीन ही नहीं आ रहा होता मेरे
Yeah.
मुँह से ये चीज़ें निकल रही होती हैं.
So she has changed a lot and she's also very like now like less emotional.
So
Or
true.
yeah, like she has more कोई एक तो advice to give or just कि she just thinks about stuff now. Or she has a lot of hobbies. She always had hobbies but ये इतनी करती नहीं थी. But now she would just be painting all the time or going to, and she's also like meeting a lot of people. So
So that's the update, guys. Now I'm wise and I am doing hobby stuff.
yeah, it's a very positive update.
हम कितने opposite हो गए. तुम इतनी responsible हो गई हो.
मैं पहले भी थी.
अबे like job वाली responsibility.
Yeah.
वो तो नहीं थी ना हम दोनों के पास नहीं थी. But जब से तुम्हारी job आई है, जब से she has started working, she's become an adult. Time नहीं निकालती मेरे
Yeah, I
लिए.
do feel like an adult.
But yeah, तो
मैं इसको बुलाती हूँ.
she's a big girl now.
I'm like, let's get some bracelets. Permanent bracelets. She just
Guys,
couldn't.
I
I asked her, oh, it's been planned. She's like,
my
oh.
permanent bracelet. अब मुझे इसमें करानी है एक हिना के साथ, एक इंशा के साथ. इंशा के साथ तो टैटू भी होगा. Do you prefer this life or uni वाली life?
Oh, that's a good question. I prefer yeah, मतलब neither of them are just कि oh, this is like the best time of my life because life would always have good parts or bad parts. I do think like the last semester was really fun for me because there wasn't like much to do, so I was just like meeting people and just doing fun things. In that sense, uni life was really nice, or just the kind of uni we had कि कुछ भी हो रहा होता था. But then I also think कि uni was also a lot of like बस हो गई थी. Like, we got everything we could out of uni. So we were just like waiting for it to end. And there was also, I mean, there's still drama in my life. But uni mein it was just 10 times worse, don't you think?
Yeah, I don't like uni wala drama.
Yeah, it was so like now we think about it and we're like why were we like involved in all of this?
And it seems so stupid up.
Yeah.
Okay, we were really involved in all of that. Like all of it could have just been avoided. Like we are back after the azan break. We were involved in so much unnecessary drama, जो कि आराम से avoid हो सकता था. but हमें थोड़ा, you know, I feel like I like to add spice in my life and other people's lives. So that's just how I am. I'm
We
like
love
that. But then not to the point that, you know, it destroys someone's life. Like, not that.
Just like enough.
Enough that they enjoy it too. Because pleasure is pain. And, you know, I hope you all get the vibe.
I hope you get the vibe. Or else this could go really wrong.
Yeah, please guys. मैंने कभी कुछ नहीं किया, ठीक है?
Yeah.
I'm a very good person.
And everything she did, she rectified बाद में. So right now she's a very innocent person sitting non-guilty.
I think I had my fun and now I'm just like,
Yeah, now she's just like existing.
yeah,
Or just like
Finding
checking out things.
checking.
Plus, I was saying कि uni में I also felt कि like, you know, like when uni started शुरू में, so it was like so okay, we were all changing so much. You know, like we were completely different people in like a year or two.
Yeah,
But
but we were
then-
so different when we entered the uni and when we left.
Yeah. But then I was like after like junior year, we just stopped.
Growing.
Yeah, then we were just like there.
That is so true.
So we weren't really changing or learning anything new. And then with like office, I can just tell कि yeah, like this is like a point in my life just I am learning stuff. Or like a year from now, I would look back and I would be like, wow, like that was intense, but that was still really impactful for me. I feel like at uni that ended कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा था. That's why we were getting into so much pointless drama because
That is true.
there was nothing to do. I missed the campus because it was really just like people sitting around. It's just a really pretty campus. So,
And also ऐसा लगता था घर वाले ही होते हैं, कहीं भी बैठ जाओ, no
yeah,
one would, you
ये
know,
बहुत
like.
था. You can just लेट जाओ जाके, nobody.
नहीं, मतलब आई गेट के बाकी यूनिवर्सिटीज के अंदर होगा ये, बट मुझे हमारा कल्चर बहुत पसंद है. इट्स सो लाइक
हमारा culture.
seriously, it's a very good place. We absolutely love our university.
We
and
should
we
go
want-
there as alumni or
Yeah.
have a bit of
We have to make a YouTube video when we go to
I think-
campus.
Yeah, we should like go somewhere. So like when I went back to uni, clearance के लिए, so it was just like you were like this was just a place,
Yeah.
and it was just so like so rich for us because of the things that were happening to us or because of the people. And then when we went back, we didn't know the people like सारे freshies थे and nothing was really happening. So we just thought okay, like we're just here and this is just a place, let's see. So yeah, थोड़ा ये भी हुआ था.
हाँ, it was the people who made that place, you know, थोड़ी वो.
Yeah, like whether it was good or whether it was bad.
Yeah, it's so true. And अभी it's like जब हम जाते हैं तो we don't know anyone there. मतलब अभी of
Yeah, I
course
don't know why.
कोई इतना इमोशनल कनेक्शन नहीं है आपका वहाँ पे किसी के साथ. Like I do have like एक दो दोस्त but that's it. And then अब it's just like shit यार, this place was like my whole life. And then suddenly it doesn't mean anything to me. You know, like sure it holds a value. थोड़ा वो वाला value कि अच्छा ठीक है, nostalgic value maybe, but not कि oh that I would go crazy for it.
Yeah, let's give shout out to people that we miss
Oh,
from
let's go.
Rahina.
मैं तो इधर ही हूँ.
Okay, she doesn't want a shout
अच्छा,
out.
अच्छा, shout out
Taking
to
it back.
Hina.
I mean, I miss Arsalan because I don't get to see him now. We just went एक दो दफा, like we went uni एक बार, and we went to Chai Chat एक बार. But I feel like during my 4 years, especially like junior year and then like even senior year ka first half, like we spend the most time with each other, and I think that's true for him as well. Okay, like out of all the friends. So I miss just like, even though वो ज़्यादा बोलता नहीं है, I just miss like just sitting with him, him just like eating.
Existing with him.
Yeah, just like
Okay, shout out to Arsalan is the point.
I miss doing nothing with Arsalan.
I miss having fruits with Shamir and also making music and
freestyle.
yeah, also we would talk like चलो ठीक है हम फ्रूट्स खाते थे और हम लोग खाना खाते थे और मैं उसका लंच खा जाती थी और हम फ्री स्टाइल भी करते थे but then उसके अलावा we would sit and talk. So I miss doing that.
You guys gossip so much.
हम अच्छी बातें करते
That
थे.
was-
That wasn't gossip. That was अच्छा maybe some okay like 40% gossip, 60% like wholesome conversations, I think. So I miss that because हम अब बहुत मिलते ही नहीं है कोई. I miss him.
To Aliza. But yeah, like we had like a trio situation with Aliza, or she would just do a lot of cool things. Uni like she had a club for her. We also had a club, but
We don't talk about the club.
so I like miss doing cool things.
I miss Aliza too.
With Aliza, because now it's like making a whole ass plan कि ये करने के लिए ये करो, and then let's be real, there's not much to do in Karachi. She would have like her tote bags and her art and her
Yeah.
culture. Yeah, and I would also study with her. I don't know if she would agree कि हम पढ़ते थे या नहीं, but I
You
just
guys
remember.
would, yeah.
Yeah, and we also had classes together. I miss that, or just like having chai with her. Because we would have like she's still here by the way.
She's still our friend, okay? Like,
Yeah.
if she was here, so she would be in the middle.
Yeah,
पर उसकी job होती है Sunday को. It's
exactly.
so annoying. Like, bro, 7 days a week.
हाँ,
Week
bro,
for
6
real.
days a week is also a lot. She was crazy about chai, so we would go to like all kinds of dhaba.
Sad faces, yeah.
Yeah, and then,
Should I also take Aliza's name? Shout out. But तुमने दे दिया है तो.
I mean, you must have different memories because you had
I
a date
think-
with her.
Like, I don't miss her because we meet, you know? Okay, so I miss. यार मुझे याद कौन आता है?
कोई आता ही नहीं यार.
मुझे नहीं याद आते थे, बस मेरे शाउट आउट खत्म. I actually miss Sahar so much.
Oh, I miss her.
She's so fun.
Yeah, and she's so like cute.
मलिका से तो फिर भी काफ़ी मुलाकात होती है बहुत ज़्यादा. सहर यार खत्म हो गया.
Yeah, I miss Yusuf. We had a very random सी दोस्ती जिसमें we would just see each other, and then one of us would just like be having a crisis, and then हम बैठ जाते थे, and then he would tell me a lot of random stuff. Like कई दफ़ा वो मुझे prank बहुत करता था, बहुत ज़्यादा prank करता था, and then I wouldn't even realize that. Like this one time he was like, hey, he convinced me that he's actually, you know, like he escaped from a concentration. Like he was like, yeah. So he convinced me, and then I go up to Arslana, and I'm like, oh, तुम्हें पता था कि यूसुफ के साथ ये सब हुआ है, and he's just like laughing. He's like, like, are you okay?
Yeah.
He's like, so he would prank me a lot, and then he would also like, he's just like very funny to talk to, you know, like very like बहुत लंबी करता है. So he would just have an opinion on everything, or just telling me. He would also give me life advice for some reason which I would never take life advice from Yusuf, but it was always very funny. So I miss him.
That is it for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed our vlog. I will see you in my next video. Bye.